all the wonderful children around the world. Good morning, good day, good afternoon, good evening to you. Thank you for joining us today as we read a poem by me, Julie Henna. Let's get started. Good morning. Little Eva, rise and shine, rise and shine, rise and shine. Little Eva, run around, run around, run around. Little Eva, jump perch to perch, perch to perch, perch to perch. Little Eva, play with friends, play with friends, play with friends. Little Eva, watch your show, watch your show, watch your show. Little Eva, cuddle to me, cuddle to me, cuddle to me. Little Eva, fall asleep, fall asleep, fall asleep. Little Eva, nighty-night, nighty-night, nighty-night. Shh. Good night. Thank you, boys and girls. I hope that you enjoyed that poem. You can sing it, you can read it, you can sing it and read it all day long. I drew the drawing of little Eva. She's my little lineonated parrot. And she's real. She's green and blue and yellow. I hoped you liked the drawing and my little poem of my little bird Eva. Thank you, boys and girls. We'll see you again soon. Have a good day. Good night. Bye, everybody. Bye-bye.